Hi, Bob Murphy here today, owner of Central Jersey Security Cameras. Today's a very exciting day for us. We're opening up an authorized retail location with CMR, Cellutopia Mobile Repair, at 602 Mantoloking Rd in Brick, New Jersey. This is our third location. We have Freehold, Toms River, and now Brick. I'd like to show you inside real quick, show you what we have going on. So, as you can see, we are in the process of building a display that will showcase our products and services. We plan to have information kiosks that can answer a lot of questions about our products. This is our official opening today, but keep an eye out for the grand opening, the grand opening event, which will be coming up in sometime in August. And any information about that day and event will be posted on our website. So, any questions, please visit our website. But I hope to see you soon. Have a good day.